All right, imagine this. You've got $2,000, and instead of letting it sit in your bank, you want to make it work for you through crypto, but safely and smartly. Here's a simple step-by-step plan beginners can actually follow. First, don't rush in. Step 1 is understanding where your money is going. Crypto is volatile, so your goal isn't to gamble, it's to invest wisely. Out of your $2,000, never put everything into one coin. Step 2, break your money into parts. A solid beginner strategy is this: 50% into strong, established coins. That's $1,000. These are assets with long-term potential and lower risk compared to others. Next, 30%, that's $600, goes into mid-level projects. These are coins that are growing, have real use cases, but still carry some risk. This is where growth can happen faster. Then the final 20%, $400, goes into high-risk, high-reward opportunities. These could be newer projects or trending tokens. If they win, you gain big. If they fail, your main investment is still safe. Step 3, use dollar-cost averaging. Instead of investing all $2,000 at once, spread it over time. For example, invest $500 every week for 4 weeks. This reduces the risk of buying at the wrong time. Step 4, store your crypto safely. Don't just leave everything on an exchange. Use a trusted wallet. Security matters more than profit at the beginning. Step 5, take profits. This is where most beginners fail. When your $2,000 becomes $3,000 or more, don't just watch it. Take out your initial capital and let the profit ride. That way, you're playing with free money. Finally, stay consistent and avoid hype. Don't chase every trending coin you see online. Stick to your plan, review your portfolio monthly, and adjust when necessary. That's how you turn $2,000 into a smart, structured crypto investment without unnecessary risk. If you follow this step by step, you're already ahead of most beginners.